everybody, and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. And once again, I've been out raiding the rack, and this time I've got two beautiful plants to show you. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Anyway, let's get straight to it. Now, this is the first plant I came home with. It's called an Alocasia amazonica. And oh, what a beautiful, lovely, quite big specimen. These beautiful arrow type long leaves that are dark green with really prominent limey green veins running through. Lovely, beautiful, thick stalks. And in this pot, I have two thick plants together. And look at those leaves. I mean, seriously, aren't they wonderful? Can you see them? Even the small ones and the tiny ones at the bottom. Ah, what an amazing plant this is. How beautiful that's going to look in the collection. I just love it. Look at it, underneath, on top. Can you see me? Ah, she's beautiful. And again, underneath, look at the colour. I wonder if you can see properly, but look at the colour. This deep, deep burgundy colour underneath the leaves. Again, I love that. I think that just makes plants beautiful. Now, got to put it to the side for a minute because this plant absolutely amazed me when I saw it. I just couldn't believe it. Now, for some reason, well, there's no for some reason. I have got into plants that have these beautiful velvet leaves. I just love the texture, I love the feeling, but I thought they were a bit harder to find. But I found this monster. This is, of course, a Calathea. And I just need to pull down this plastic so you get to see it fall out in its full beauty. Because this plant, it is to die for. Get out this plastic. Oh, it's heavy too. Doesn't need watering for a while, I'm sure about that. Oh, look at this. Can't you just die? And I mean, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plants in this one pot. It says it's called Calathea warscewiczii. Calathea warscewiczii. This is one of those names that I don't think anyone can pronounce. Calathea warscewiczii. Something like that, okay? I'm going to show you the name. I'm going to show you the name on the pot because it's just ridiculous. If you can see that, I don't know if it's possible. There's the name, Calathea. Just to show you. But look at the leaves on this baby. Aren't they magnificent? Oh, I'm just dying. When I saw this, I was dying. I was just like, you're gorgeous. And the leaves, they are completely velvety. They're like fabric. They're like fabric. They're not like leaves. They're like fabric. And they're actually velvety, not just on the top, but on the bottom. The bottom side of this is also velvety. And once again, with these Calathea plants, I've got to show you the purple colouring under the leaves. Look at that. Can I get a better view? Let's have a look. There. Look at that. Completely purple. Or burgundy, I should say. This beautiful burgundy colour. Can you see that properly? Oh, this plant. Oh, it is just amazing. It's got new leaves coming out. It's very happy. And now it's here in my indoor terrace garden that has high humidity. I mean, I am just sweating at the moment. It's 72% humidity in here. Even though I have the machine on 50%, it's 72%. So you can hear the machine doesn't have to work that hard at the moment. And these plants love that and they're going to thrive. So, look at that. Raiding the rack this time, I've got these two beauties. I mean, you just couldn't be happy and you just couldn't walk past them. I mean, when they're there, you've just got to go for it because you just don't know how long they're going to be there. People are going to snap these things up and there are only ever just a few examples. You never know when they're going to come again or whatever. So go for it. Go for it when you're out there. Calm down. I've got to find space for all of these. Yeah, right. Anyway, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching Gardens and Crystals. And please remember to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.